Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadget Hub, your best source for information on the latest and coolest gadgets. As you would expect, we have a new list of amazing gadgets that you'll surely love to have around you. A good example of brand new gadgets that you need to have at home is the QTV speaker, which is so portable and has some amazing features. Also, there are times when you wish you could carry your video games outside and enjoy the fresh air while having video game fun. The new retro game machine has so many cool games to play, and you can take it wherever you want. If you're a fan of Iron Man, then this cool looking pen drive is for you. You can also now get a gadget that helps you manage your earphones perfectly. There are so many new gadgets that solve issues you never thought existed. It's a good thing we're here to give you all the information you need to know. Before we go on, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe down below and also hit the notification bell, because we have more awesome videos coming up. With that said, let's jump right into the video. QTV speaker. The first gadget we have for you in today's video is the QTV speaker. Everyone is a fan of multi-purpose gadgets because they fulfill more than one need. This particular gadget is a speaker, and for the 21st century millennials who have great playlists, it's a keeper. You would agree with us that it's more fun to have a speaker close to you while doing yoga or cooking. With the QTV speaker, you can be anywhere in your house or with your friends and enjoy your favorite songs loud and clear. So what makes this advanced speaker so special, you might ask? Well, this particular speaker comes with an alarm and timer. Whilst jamming to your favorite songs, you don't want to forget the chicken in the oven or when it's time to put on the news. This product is so amazing not just because it solves 3 different needs, but because it's portable. It's time for bed, but you can't just fall asleep. Play a soothing song and place the QTV speaker by your bedside. You don't have to remove it because it's also your alarm, so all you'll need to do is set it up. It has 2 alarms, so you'll hear it perfectly. As a timer, it keeps you in check to know when to end your workout session and to bring the cookies out of the oven. Lighter phone case. Did you ever imagine that your phone case could also serve as a lighter? Probably not. The next gadget we're looking at is the lighter phone case. This gadget, first of all, is great because you can take it anywhere. No one would even know that you have a lighter with you because it's attached to your phone case. Normally, lighters are portable, but a not so cool part is when the gas or fuel runs out. You automatically need to get a new one and hope that it'll light up easily. This is solved by the new lighter phone case, which firstly looks attractive and doesn't need gas or fuel. It's rechargeable and has one button, which makes operating it so easy. With this product, you wouldn't need to take out everything in your pocket. Just find your lighter because it's on your phone. It's not complicated to use at all, and thanks to constant electricity and the availability of chargers, you have nothing to worry about. You might be wondering if it's safe to use, seeing that fire will be involved in the process. Well, you have nothing to worry about because it's well constructed and has instructions on how it should be used. You'll also be informed on what to avoid when using it, just to make sure that it lasts long while you enjoy using it. Purchasing it would be a good idea. Retro gaming machine. You know, the list wouldn't be complete without a video game gadget. The retro gaming machine can keep not just the kids occupied, but also the adults. This gaming gadget is portable and easy to operate. Having a video game that you can take along on a camping trip or a road trip to keep your child busy and less fussy is a good investment. For adults, it can help in stress relief after a very hectic day. It has a 600 milliamp hour lithium battery which lasts for 3 to 4 hours. Worried about what to get your child for his or her birthday? This retro gaming machine is a great option. It's portable and has loads of interesting games. So let's say it's a multiplayer game and your friends want to watch too. You can connect it to your television. It'll be good for a family game night. There'll be a lot of bonding and winning all throughout. More great gadgets are being manufactured, and we assure you, you can hardly get enough. We still have more amazing gadgets that we're sure you'll find interesting. So keep watching so that you don't miss a thing. Kuzno. This next gadget we're going to look at is just as unique as the name sounds. Kuzno is a futuristic-looking coffee table that has some other pretty cool features. It can serve as a refrigerator for your drinks, so you don't need to take a trip to the kitchen during your favorite scene of Money Heist. It serves as a coffee table, so it's right there in the middle of your sitting room. No need to stress. Awesome, right? We know. Apart from giving you chilled drinks, what else does this robo table do? Kuzno comes with the sound system to play amazing songs when your friends come around. This gadget can only get better with the voice control feature and its superior looks. It comes with a wireless charging spot so your phone and laptop can be right by your side at all times. This is an amazing gadget to have in your house thanks to its many features. With the Kuzno in your house, it's sure to make it look amazing. It's super easy to use, so there's no need to worry about complexities. It comes with a manual to guide you on what to avoid and how to get the best out of it. If you decide to get one for yourself or as a gift for someone really important, just know that it'll be awesome. Earphones Manager. Everyone has earphones. There's always that time when it gets tangled, and untangling it is always so annoying. These are some of the issues people face with their earphones, which also makes them spoil fast. How do you deal with this conveniently? Well, for most issues, there's a gadget to solve it. To prevent your earphones from getting all tangled up, you can now get an earphone manager to make them last longer and look neat. With this gadget, you can safely put your earphones in your pocket without being worried that they'll get tangled. This new and advanced earphone manager certainly makes your earphones look unique and also allows you to use them easily. Purchasing this would be a good idea. Iron Man Pen Drive. If you're a fan of Iron Man or you know someone who is, then this next gadget will interest you. The Iron Man Pen Drive doesn't just have great looks that'll attract you instantly, but it also has a variety of storage capacity to suit you. It comes from 8GB all the way up to 128GB. All you need to do is choose what you prefer. This pen drive doesn't take time to read in any device because it comes in high speed. What other unique features does this gadget have? Well, it has a write speed of 4 to 9 megabytes a second, which also makes saving movies faster. There are times when your friends download a new season or a movie, but it's so large it would probably take the whole day. With the Iron Man pen drive, you wouldn't need to go home and not have a movie to keep you occupied. There's another thing we find really cool about this gadget. The eyes light up when it's plugged into a device. This gadget didn't just make our list because it's stylish, but it also has a superior operating system. It's easy to maintain because it has a cover that prevents it from getting exposed to dirt. It's very convenient, so you should consider getting one. Movie Projector. The next gadget on our list is a movie projector. Now, this probably sounds like a common movie projector, but it's not. Newer gadgets come out often, but what makes them better than the former are the new features they come with. It's always fun having family and friends around for a movie night to watch movies. A TV might not fit the vibe you're trying to put everyone in. This movie projector can be set up easily even if you're not a professional and play any movie of your choice. You can be in your kitchen and try out a new recipe while watching your favorite cooking show. The best part about technological innovations is that you no longer have to worry about big gadgets that are necessary but difficult to carry around. It's easy to carry around and you can always keep it clean with mild soap and cold water. It's suitable in all light conditions and showcases colors. It's made in a way that allows you to fold it up properly to prevent a wrinkled screen. Illumable. We've spoken about gadgets you can use outside, in your bedroom, and in your living room. This time, your toilet isn't left out. Illumable is a cool nightlight for your toilet to make it look more appealing than a toilet should look. It's really creative and comes in different colors and images. It also gives your toilet a relaxing atmosphere so you can stay in there for as long as you want. It has a motion sensor that turns the light on and off when you step in. It comes in different colors and a feature that makes it stick perfectly. It's portable and most times you won't even know it's there until you see the light it produces. Using it is easy to do, so you should consider glowing up your toilet with this. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did. To watch more amazing videos like this, feel free to subscribe to Gadget Hub. share with your friends, and also leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to know when we post new videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.